Hello, students. Today, with the teacher Angel and I, we're going to develop the class rooms of the house, and we're going to start with a little warm up with hot potato. Students will pass the hot potato around the class from students to students, and when the timer goes off, the students with the potato is shown a flashcard. The student has to write a name of a room of the house. Then we're going to continue with the presentation. Room of the house. Number one, bedroom. Bedroom can be a place to sleep, study, share, and relax. Number two, kitchen is a room used for cooking food in a house. Number three, dining room. A room in a house in which meals are eaten. Number four, bathroom is a room containing a bathtub or shower and usually sink and toilet. Number five, garage, a room where a car or cars are kept. Number six, living room, a room in a house for general and informal everyday use. Number seven, laundry room is a room where clothes are washed and dried. Number eight, basement is a room that's below ground level underneath the first floor. And please repeat after me. Bedroom,
Bedroom,
kitchen,
kitchen,
dining room,
dining room,
bathroom,
bathroom,
garage,
garage,
living room,
living room,
laundry room,
laundry room,
basement.
basement.
And we're going to continue with the lesson plan with the teacher Angel.
All right. Thank you for this really good presentation about the rooms of the house. So the second part of the house is going to be a really good one. In the next 15 minutes, students, I want you to practice what we have learned with teacher Jenny. So she just mentioned the names of the rooms of the house, and I want you to write them. So I'm gonna describe a place, and then here in the Jamboard that you have right now, I want you to write down the name that you listen, or the name that you think is gonna be the correct place of the house. For example, if I say, it's the place of the house where you eat, what's gonna be the name that you want to write? So it's gonna be, I'm going to give you some options. It's gonna be the dining room, it's gonna be the living room, or the bedroom. It's the place of the house where you eat. The dining room, the living room, or the bedroom. All right? And the best option, it's gonna be right, the dining room. Really good job, students. Now, let's take a look at another one. What's the place of the house where you sleep? What's the place of the house where you sleep? Let me give you some options for you to have more options. So it's gonna be the bedroom, the bathroom, or the garage. Bedroom, bathroom, or the garage. Let's write it down in the Jamboard. And the right answer is correct. Yeah, you are right, students. It's the bedroom. Really good job. Now, let's move to the last one activity that we're going to be having today. And for this activity, I want you to write a short paragraph about your house. And I want you to use all the names or the vocabulary and all the grammar structures that we just studied. For this activity, we're going to switch to another application. Instead of working here on the Jamboard, we're going to move to the Padlet. I just shared with you the link in the chat. And once you are ready, click on it. And yes, that's going to be it. So this is the Jamboard that we're going to be, I'm sorry, this is the Padlet that we're going to be using. So remember, you need to write a short paragraph about your favorite room on the house. If you like the bedroom, you need to write a short paragraph about it. In case that you don't know how to do it, I'm going to give you some options. For example, I have some questions for you to answer. How many rooms does your house have? What are the names of the different rooms? Or what do you like the most about your house? Or what do you like least about your house? So this, and in case that you don't know how to do it, or or if by any chance you have more questions, so I have shared with you two more examples of a paragraph. So this is the first one, and this is the second one. Now it's gonna be your turn to produce. I wanted to create this short paragraph. How can I do it, teacher? It's really easy. Just need to click on the plus sign over here, and that's gonna be it. You will need to enter the paragraph that you want to create, and that's gonna be it. It's really easy. For this activity, students, I'm going to give you 15 minutes, right? And once you finish, we can share what you have learned. All right. So that's gonna be it. This is pretty much the lesson that we have developed for writing skills. So if you have questions, don't worry. You can go ahead and ask us. You can ask your teacher Jenny, or you can ask me, and we are gonna be helping you to find the solution. So if there is no questions, so we can leave it as it is. So thank you for coming to this class. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.
Thank you, students, for your attention.